In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add custom fields to Gumroad checkout in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Custom fields allow you to collect additional information from customers during checkout. This can include text responses, checkboxes, agreements, or other details related to your products. Now, if you want to add custom fields to Gumroad checkout, here's what to do. Start by opening the official Gumroad website and logging into your account. Next, go to your dashboard and open the checkout or settings section. After that, locate the custom fields area inside your checkout customization settings. Then, click on the option to add a new custom field. Now, choose the type of field you want to create. Gumroad usually allows options such as text fields, checkboxes, or terms and agreement fields depending on the information you want to collect. After that, enter the field label and customize the settings for the field. You can also decide whether the field should be required or optional during checkout. Then, choose whether the custom field should apply to all products or only selected products. After that, review the checkout settings carefully and click Save Changes. Once saved, the custom field will appear during the customer checkout process. Usually, custom field issues happen because the field was not assigned to the correct product or the settings were not saved properly. So double check your configuration carefully. That's it. By adding custom fields correctly, you can customize your Gumroad checkout page and collect additional customer information successfully.